Yesterday, I watched a movie and I played the piano and I go to school. No, I went to school. Today, we will learn the irregular form of the past tense. The simple past tense is used for actions that have finished in the past. For regular verbs, we add ed to the end of every verb, like I watched a movie. I played piano. There are some words that are irregular. Irregular verbs change in the past. For example, I went to school yesterday. The past tense of go is went. Like in the present, I go to school every day. In the past, I went to school yesterday. Eat becomes ate. She eats breakfast at 8 a.m. In the past, she ate breakfast at 8 a.m. What time did you eat breakfast this morning? Let me know in the comments. See becomes saw. They see a movie every weekend. In the past, last weekend, they saw a movie. Take becomes took. I take the bus to work every day. In the past, yesterday, I took the bus to work. Give becomes gave. He gives his friend a gift every year on his birthday. In the past, last week, or last year, he gave his friend a gift. To make a negative sentence, use did, not, plus the base verb. In negative sentences, we do not need to change the verb. The past of do is did, so did is already in the past. For example, I ate pizza yesterday. To make this negative, I did not eat pizza yesterday. It's common for did not to be shortened to didn't. I didn't eat pizza yesterday. I didn't go to work this morning. Now, let's see some of these verbs in action. Can you listen to the dialogue? Pay attention to the irregular past tense verbs. What did you do yesterday? I went to the park and saw some ducks. Then I ate lunch at a cafe. That sounds fun. What did you eat? I took a sandwich and gave some crumbs to the birds. Did you hear the verbs? You heard went, saw, ate, took, and gave. Now it's your turn. I will give you a sentence in the present tense. Can you change it to the past? Number 1, I go to the store. The answer is, I went to the store. Number 2, she eats a banana. The correct answer is, she ate a banana. Number 3, we see a rainbow. The correct answer is, we saw a rainbow. Number 4, he takes a picture. The correct answer is, he took a picture. Number 5, they give us a gift. The correct answer is, they gave us a gift. If you like learning past tense verbs, please like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!